Hi 2G, we are looking at the expected worksheet pages for lesson 2 of week 7. We are going to take a look at the learn first. It says read, understand, and solve this word problem. It told us 4 colored strips are 3 centimeters long each. So I have 4 colored strips and they're all 3 centimeters long. They are placed side by side to make a long strip. How long is the strip? So they did a bar model to help us picture it. They did 4 strips. So here's one strip. Here's another strip, a third, and a fourth. So I have 4 strips. And we can look at that picture. They all are the same size. And it shows by using this bracket that one of these strips is 3 centimeters long. So I know that the rest of these are also going to be 3 centimeters long. And then I know if I have 4 groups with 3 centimeters in each group, that's going to be 4 times 3. And if I skip count 4 times 3, I get to 12, right? 4, 8, 12. So I know the strip is 12 centimeters long. Let's take a look at the problem below. It says Mike lines up bricks along a wall. The length of each brick is 10 inches. What is the length of the 5 bricks? So now we know one brick would be 10 inches. And what if we had 5 bricks? Well, looking at my picture, my 5 bricks are my 5 bars, right? Divided evenly. And it told me that one brick is 10 inches long. So if I did 10 5 times, I would get my answer, right? I could do repeated addition, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, or I could do 10 times 5. And I know 10 times 5 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The length of the 5 bricks is 50 inches. Good work. Let's look at number 2 and the learn that goes along with it. It says read, understand, and solve these word problems. This one says there are 5 bags of rice. The mass of each bag of rice is 10 kilograms. And I see on my picture that I have 5 bags, and it's showing me here that one bag is equal to 10 kilograms. So I know I have 5 groups with 10 in each group. So I know that is the same thing as saying 5 times 10. And I know 5 times 10 equals 50. So the mass of the 5 bags of rice is 50 kilograms. And I can figure that out by skip counting by 5s, or skip counting by 10s, or I could do repeated addition with 10s. I could do 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So I'm doing it 5 times, right? And that way I'll find my answer. Let's take a look at number 2. It says Amber has 6 rings. The mass of each ring is 3 grams. What is the mass of 6 rings? Oh, so we're looking for that total, right? Looking for that total. It told us, and it showed us in the picture, we have 6 rings, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 rings. And it shows me that each ring is going to be 3 grams because these are all the same size. So I know I have 6 groups with 3 in each group. Well, I know how to put that into a multiplication problem. 6 groups, my multiplication sign with 3 in each group. So I can skip count by 3s. I can skip count by 6s because I know 6 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 6. Or I can use repeated addition to figure it out, whatever works best for you. I think I'm going to skip count. But if you want to do repeated addition, you can do that too. So I'm just going to write that out as if I were going to do it. So I'm adding 3 6 times, or you could add 6 3 times. I'm going to do skip counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So I know 6 times 3 equals 18. The mass of 6 rings is 18 grams. Check to make sure you got the same answer as I did. That is going to wrap us up for our lesson 2 expected worksheet pages for week 7.